Everyone, my name is Lauren Yarnell Bradshaw, and I'm here to talk with you about how to make social studies a little sweeter in your classroom. And we're going to talk about how we can use some candy to engage students in different areas in our content. One thing I really like to do is using candy to allow students to explore with their peers different types of government systems and what it means to them. Materials that you would need is a candy of your choice. I always go for what's ever on sale, white paper or paper plates, and then you would assign a government system to a group or a partnership and tell them that they're not allowed to use words. So they can't write out words in describing their government system, but I do usually sometimes allow them to draw simple shapes. So for instance, if you gave them gummy bears or gummy worms, how might they represent a government system with this candy? To give you an example, these are some that I've seen before. So like the first one could be autocracy, or, you could say it's dictatorship or a king, depending on what their explanation is, depends on how well they did it. But you have like one gummy worm up top, and then all the other gummy worms seem to have not so much power. The second one is democracy, in that they have shared power, and I'm assuming that this is, these are like the people who vote. They voted for representatives. They also then voted for like a president or a prime minister, and that power is shared amongst them. So these are some representations that I've gotten in the past. I hope you guys can find a way to make social studies a little sweeter in your classroom. Keep calm and love social studies, and I will see you next time.